The next thing you might want to do is start experimenting with these synthesizer parameters, these tone shaping parameters. And what I would typically do is turn down the filter, turn down the envelope, the delay, and the reverb, and really get to know what each one does. So I've still got my chord hold and variation on. Maybe I've found my favorite variation and style. So let's see, I might go, oh, I liked that ascending, descending one from earlier. So I think that was here. But if I press one of the keys now, I'm not really going to hear much because the filter is closed, the envelope is closed, delay and reverb are also closed. So I really need to check that before I play, because I might be thinking, oh, my volume's up, I'm plugged in, it should be working, but I haven't opened the filter. And notice I turned the filter slowly. I took my time to listen to the change. And essentially what is happening here is that it is a low pass filter that I'm slowly opening and allowing more and more frequencies to enter. And that's why you see that number slowly increasing. So I can do the same with envelope. Let's see what happens. Okay, I've got a little bit of volume coming through. The envelope is opened, which is nice, but let's add a bit of filter in. So we can see the envelope increases the length of the notes within the arpeggio. And we can test that again by closing the envelope and hearing what happens.